In this video, I'm going to show you how you can see if you're pre-qualified for a Citibank credit card. And you're going to check via a soft pull pre-approval, which means that you can see if you're pre-qualified without it hurting your credit score. And some people are even reporting that they're being approved for $10,000 and up for these credit cards. Now, if you're new to my channel, I bring you information to help you no matter where you are in your credit journey. So if you like that kind of information, make sure you subscribe to my channel and give this video a thumbs up. I also give you a free hard inquiry removal package at my website, and I have other removal packages for purchase for your negative items, and I leave those links in the description of my videos in the pinned comment section. And if you want my help personally with your credit, you can also click on the links so you can schedule an appointment and we can go over your credit issues. And this month, I have started my credit bootcamp, so I'm uploading a new video every Friday to help you guys for free to improve your credit score. And I also have a Facebook group that will support you and help you answer any questions that you're facing with your credit for absolutely free. And that link is in the description of the video in the pinned comment section. So let's jump into this information. Now, Citibank is one of the 4 largest banks in the United States, and right now they're allowing to see if you're pre-qualified for their credit card via a soft pull pre-approval. Now, when you soft pull pre-approve, it helps you preventing getting a ton of hard inquiries just randomly applying for credit cards. It will let you know if you fit in the criteria of a customer that they're looking for. Now, if you get pre-approved or pre-qualified, it doesn't always guarantee that you're going to get the credit card, but it gives you an 80 to 90% chance of you being approved. So they're giving you a good indicator that you're what they're looking for in a customer. Now, this is very important for you guys to try to do this now, because if you don't know, there's a big credit crunch going on in the United States. And if you're not even pre-qualified right now, you're putting yourself in their system. So if your credit report changed down the road, you can start receiving offers in the mail. And as I also tell you guys, even if you have negative items on your credit report, adding a new credit card can increase your credit score by 50 points on average if you're under a 700 credit score. So if you're trying to build credit or increase your score because you're under that 700 mark, you can give this a try to see if you're pre-qualified and see if you want to add another credit card. Now, Citi have a number of cards that you can pre-approve for, and you can select the card that fits your lifestyle the best, like the Citi Custom Cash credit card. You can earn 5% cash back with this credit card and earn $200 cash back with a low intro APR for 15 months of 0% right now. Now, after the introductory rate for 15 months is 18.74% to 28.74%, depending on your credit worthiness. Now, they also have the Citi Diamond Preferred credit card with a low APR for 21 months on balance transfers. So that's a 0 introductory APR for balance transfers. And after the 21 months, you can see an APR of 17.74% to 28.49%. Also, you have a low intro APR for 12 months on your purchases and 0 annual fees for this card. So if you're a person that's looking to transfer your balances, this will be a great credit card. Then you have the Citi Premier card, which is more of a travel card where you can earn points fast on dining, supermarkets, travel, and more. Right now, you can earn 60,000 bonus points, earn 3x points, and $100 annual hotel savings benefit for this card. So if you're a person that's really into travel or you travel a lot, this may be a good card for you. Then they also have the Citi Double Cash Card where you can earn 2% cash back, no caps or categories, and a low introductory APR on balance transfers for 18 months, and that will be a 0% APR for 18 months. Then after that 18-month period, you can see an APR of 18.74% to 28.74%, and it'll be based on your credit worthiness. Now, this is more for people who just like to shop and not so much a travel card. But if you go grocery shopping, this might be a real good choice for you. Now, with Citibank, some of their cards you can get approved with a 640 credit score, and they will be pulling from either Equifax or Experian, depending on the region that you live in. Now, you want to take advantage of this pre-qualification because banks like Citibank sometimes close down their pre-qualification offers. So you want to come to this pre-qualification page and fill in your information: first name, last name, email address, last 4 digits of your social security number, street address, zip code, city, and state information. And you can choose a product preference, what you're looking for a low APR, cash back, rewards, or balance transfers are no preference at all. And by doing this will not hurt your credit score. So once you enter in the information, it will show you your cards that you are pre-qualified for. So if you have any questions, I have this link in the pinned comment section and the description of this video. Come here and fill out your information, and you can see if you guys are pre-qualified with a soft pull. So I hope this is helpful. If you have comments, leave it in the comment section or your questions. Or if you have detailed questions, you can go to my website and leave your questions there. And I hope to see you guys in the next video. Stay tuned.